Please subscribe math.com and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more video updates.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how you can find the inheritance share of wife, daughter, son and the mother if a man or if a person die. So this will be according to the Islamic law of inheritance. What share has been fixed by Islam for the wife, daughter and wife, daughter, son and the mother if a man died. So let's see what will be the share of wife, what will be the share of daughter, son and mother. So according to the Islamic law of inheritance, the share of wife will be 1/8 of the inheritance. 1/8 of the inheritance or 1/8 of the property left by the man. Then what will be the share of the daughter and the son? It will be in ratio. There will be a ratio between the share of the daughter and the son, as Islam has given double the share to the son as compared to the daughter. So their share will be 1:2. It means the share of son will be double as compared to the daughter, and we will also calculate it with the help of example. It will help you more how you can calculate it. Then what will be the share of a mother? The share of the mother will be 1/6 of the inheritance. So these are the shares fixed by the Islam for the legal inheritors if a man died, or if or the legal inheritors of the deceased person. So keep this in mind. Here the deceased person is a male. So let's see how you can find their share with the help of a problem. So the problem is, a man left a property of rupees 100,000 and his heirs are 2 daughters, 2 sons, mother and a wife. Find the share of each according to the Islamic law of inheritance. So the method is, you have to first find the wife and mother's share, then the remaining property will be distributed among the daughter and the son. So we will start here as total property left by the deceased is equals to 100,000 rupees. Now first of all we will find the wife or the mother's share. It's up to you. So the wife's share is equals to 1/8 of the total property. So it will be equals to 12,500 rupees. So this is the wife's share. Now let's find the share of the mother. What it will be? Mother's share according to the Islamic law of inheritance is equals to 1/6 of the inheritance. So 1/6 of 100,000. So what we will get is 1/6 of 100,000 is 16,667 rupees. So this is the mother's share. So how easier it is to find the share of the wife and mother if you are given with the total property left by the deceased person. Now what left is the share of the daughter and the son, and it is in ratio to each other. So we have to use the method of ratio here. What it will be, let's see. The first thing that we have to do is we have to check from which property we have to find the share of the daughter and the son. We have to find the share of the daughter and the son from the property that we get after subtracting the share of the wife and the mother from the total property. So we can write it here as total property share of wife and mother, W for wife and it's M for mother. It will be 12,500 plus 16,667. So it will be equals to 229,167 rupees. This will be the total property share of the wife and the mother, and we have to subtract this share from the total property in order to find the share of the daughter and the son. So remaining amount is, we have to subtract this share from the total amount. Total amount was 100,000 minus 29167 rupees. What we will get is 70,833 rupees. So this will be the property left after finding the share or after subtracting the share of wife and the mother. Now we have to distribute this property among the son and the daughter. So let's find the share of the son and the daughter as son's ratio, as their share is in ratio to each other, ratio, daughter's ratio. So according to the Islamic law of inheritance, it is 2:1. Now as according to the problem given, we have 2 daughters and 2 sons. So we will multiply both sides with 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 1 multiplied by 2. So it will be 4:2. Then we have to find the sum of the ratios as sum of ratios. This is the process of finding the share of the son and daughter. So sum of ratios is 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Now we can easily find their share as 2 sons share is equals to this value, that is 4, divided by this sum, that is 6, multiplied by this amount that was left after subtracting the share of wife and mother from the total inheritance. So it will be 70,833, and what we will get is, it will be equals to 47,222 rupees. This is the share of the 2 sons. So in order to find the share of a 1 son, so we will divide it into 2, and what we will get is 23,611 rupees. This is the share of each son. If I write here, share of 1 son, as we have divided the value into 2. Now we will look for the share of the 2 daughters. 2 daughters share. The same method we have to use. 2 daughters share is equals to this value, that is 2, divided by this ratio 6, multiplied by the total value 70,833. What we will get is 223,611. This is the share of 2 daughters. So in order to find the share of 1 daughter, we have to divide it with 2, and what we will get is 11805. So this is the share of each daughter, share of 1 daughter. So this is the method of finding the share of wife, mother, son and the daughter according to the Islamic law of inheritance. Hope so this lecture will help you a lot in order to find the inheritance share of the legal inheritors or whosoever is alive according to the Islamic law of inheritance. So that's all from today's lecture. Thank you.